If people could trade through barter, then why did humans create money? What went wrong with simply exchanging goods for other goods? Let's find out. In our previous lesson, we spoke about money and we said money is simply a medium that is generally accepted by the people for the exchange of goods and services. Before money was created, people were trading using the barter system, trading by barter. But barter has a lot of limitations because, take for instance, if you have a goat and you needed rice, you have to take your goat, you go around looking for somebody that has rice and is willing to exchange that rice for a goat. So if you don't find somebody that has that rice and needed gold, there is no trading. No trade is going to happen. The barter system worked very well, but a lot of limitations came into play. And some of the limitations were the difficulties in finding somebody who actually wants what you have and also has what you want. So those were some of the limitations. Some of the goods were too bulky to be carried along, looking for somebody to do an exchange with. Some of the goods could not be divided into smaller portions. Some of the goods even get bad along the way, like the perishable goods, before they could be exchanged. So while barter was a good system, it also has its own setbacks. It also has a lot of limitations. That is why humans decided to create money. Humans created money so that everybody can do trading faster, easier, and much more reliable. They created something that everybody comes together and accept that thing. And they are willing to use that particular thing for exchange of goods and services. With this, there was a lot of reliability. The economy was boosted. So now that you know the reasons why humans created money, let's talk more. When we said money is anything that people accept generally, was it just anything? What are the characteristics or what qualifies something to be considered as money? In our next lesson, we are going to be discussing characteristics of good money, and I invite you to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification button because a lot is coming. Until then, stay blessed.